What's up guys, Justin here, bringing you through to the good old Tim. And yes, I already know what I said. I did say I would do a Barton collection for episode 10, but that's going to be on another bigger occasion, probably episode 20 tonight, but
Right, have you put them books away?
sorry about
Right,
that.
let's go. Give your brother a kiss.
Oh, sorry about that camera. That was a bit awkward. But yeah.
I'm not awkward. Okay.
Oh, sorry about that. Let's get to business. Yeah, I will probably do that in episode 20. My sister's been doing that time.
If I catch you with that in your mouth again, guess where it'll be going?
In my front.
No. Well, if it don't end up in your throat, and I'll catch you
and this
in
is the
your
Blackburn
mouth,
game.
where you can't put it
In
in.
the
Right, listen, if you get out of bed, if I catch you playing, and if you're still awake in half an hour, mate, no tab. When you're typing us at the table, just leave that there, please. Alright, I mean it. No tab if you don't know straight to sleep tonight.
Unfortunately, I didn't do this guy. Jake was just gave an amazing header. Thomas Gusak. Super Thomas Gusak. Super Tom. Super Tom. Super Thomas Gusak. Yeah, sorry, that was a bit random. But, look forward to episode 20. Can be a Brown collection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, rate, subscribe. Sorry this video isn't much about the Blackburn game, but I can't really tell you much as I didn't go. Sorry about that guys, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, rate, subscribe, all the good stuff. Smack that like button with your head. That was bright, and I failed to hit the like button, but hopefully you can. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.